In the beginning, no one start with nothing. So what you have in the beginning, you have the beginning self belief. But when you work, when you go some like schools, at that time you focus on your marks, and at that time you have very less irrigation of the self belief, because you think that can I have the good marks, bad marks, and that those. So your belief system is like basis on the looking to your friends, your people around you, and the circumstances and environment around you. So always you have the negative thoughts on behalf of the less self belief. And how you are going to increase your self belief on behalf of the your own belief that you have with you, that okay, I have the capabilities, potential, that I am going to complete this task, this project, this work, and anything. I am author of a book called How to Believe in Yourself, You Can Do Anything. So you can read my book How to Believe in Yourself, book by Arvind Upadhyay, just to understand the power of belief, because you have the priority to know this power, to power of self belief.